Welcome back to Brotuned, guys. My name is Ryan, and today we're shooting 200 yards with SK Pistol Match Special. Hopefully it's as special as the name says. So the way we start off is 10 on center. We get our dope dialed in, and then we do 4 10-shot groups after that. That's our test of 200. Let's get to shooting. We have a slight left to right breeze right now. Let's see what happens downrange. Go right 1, and it'll come up 3/10, I guess. Now hopefully run center. Way high now. I'll come back down 1, and we'll start our groups. Top left target. A wee bit high, but we'll just keep going. Same hole. Point of aim, point of impact. Same hole. That's looking pretty good. That's looking not bad at all, actually. Good old SK never seems to fail. Okay, next group. Top right group. I mean, top right target. The group's not there yet. Get a little ahead of myself. So here we go. Wow, that was high. Come down 1. And so we'll go right 1 again. Okay. Next group, bottom right. Same hole. And that, to me, looks like an MOA group at 200 yards. Not bad, SK. Good work. Next group, bottom left. If it wasn't for that one, this would have been a solid group. Yeah. Well, very surprising. $9.99 a box, so $10 a box, and we got that kind of result. That's pretty much the same result as we had with the 10X pistol round nose at $24.99 a box, I believe. So there you go. You can shoot twice and a half as many of these and get the same result at 200 yards. Like, that's really good. Very impressed. Well, I'll throw the chronograph data up now if we have it. If we don't, then you won't see it right now. And, well, hope you guys had a great weekend, and we'll see you next week. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if you want to see the other barrel, 200 yards. All right, guys, take care.